Amanda. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. Hope you're having an awesome day. Thanks for taking some time every day to hang out with me. Today's video, we have the GLOSSYBOX unboxing for February 2021. I'll link my GLOSSYBOX playlist to watch previous unboxings, and if you haven't already, please subscribe and give this video a like. Let's get unboxing. GLOSSYBOX is $21 a month. Each box contains a mix of full-size and deluxe-size products. This month's box retails for over $100, and you can use my discount code AMANDA to get your first box for $16. This video is not sponsored, but GLOSSYBOX did gift me this box. This is my first box. I'm super excited, and it is just so cute. Oh, it's so neatly wrapped. This is adorable, and I love the pink. I'm just a sucker for pink, and it's so cute for Valentine's Day. February's theme is Sing, Dance, Love, and Repeat. Ooh, we have a nice little card of all of our goodies inside. First, we have by Avon Skincare. This is the Velvet Perfecting Rose Sugar Lip Scrub, and it retails for $71, and it's a full-size item. Avon Skincare has really grown on me. We have seen them a handful of times in a lot of other subscription boxes. In particular, I'm very excited about this product because it's for your lips. I have said in multiple videos that I have really dry lips. This one has me really excited because it's a scrub, and I see the word hyaluronic, and that is a really good ingredient for hydration, and that is exactly what my lips need. Avon is also a bougie luxury brand, so their products are definitely more on that pricier side. I haven't spent that much on a single lip product before. I think the highest to date has been by Pat McGrath for one of her lipsticks. Buff away dead skin cells to reveal soft, fresh, and youthful lips with this sugar scrub filled with anti-inflammatory ingredients and antioxidants. Perfect for creating a smooth canvas for your lipstick. That sounds amazing and right up my alley. So you apply it to your lips with fingertips and massage. Leave on lips for 1 to 2 minutes, then pat dry with a towel. Follow with a lip balm. I am so excited to give this a shot right now. Like, I'm so tempted just to wipe away my lip and just give it a try, just to see how it feels. I really hope this works out for me because with my lips, it seems like products start to work and then they stop working. And it's been really hard to find a really good lip scrub that works really nice with my fresh lip balm. That is like my holy grail lip balm. So I definitely want to try this, follow it with the fresh, and see what happens. I really hope it's a match made in heaven. Next, by the brand Sis. This is a moisturizing cream. It's a deluxe size of 20 milliliters that retails for $20, but the full size is 50 milliliters that retails for $40. Speaking of moisturizing cream, my hands could use it. They are so chapped because not only is it cold, the wind here is killer. And plus with COVID, you're constantly washing your hands and sanitizing. So my hands are quite dried out and I'm so anxious to put this on right now. This is what the cream looks like. Ooh, my hand soaked that up so quick. It's a little bit of a thicker cream, and oh man, there is a huge difference between how soft and smooth this hand feels versus this roughness. Hopefully on the camera you can pick up and see which hand is moisturized and which one is not. And there's not much of a scent to it, it just smells like a normal cream. Prickly pear extract in this cream is the perfect addition to your daily skincare regimen. It will leave your skin feeling smooth and super hydrated. That's exactly what I said before reading this. I cannot wait to implement this into my skincare routine as well because my cheeks looked a little chapped just like how my hands did. Worst case scenario, I'm just keeping this as a hand cream because it did a fantastic job. Like, I cannot stop touching my hand right now because it just feels so smooth. I can't recall the last time my hand has felt this smooth because of how chapped and dry they have been. I also have not heard of this brand prior to GLOSSYBOX, but I'm very intrigued because this cream has me shook. Next, by the brand Natura. This is the Padua Strengthening Shampoo and Conditioner. They are deluxe sizes of 30 milliliters that retail for $8 each. A full size is 300 milliliters that retails for $47. I definitely have been taking my hair care seriously lately. I have not heard of this brand before, but the fact that it says strengthening, I'm intrigued. Because of all the previous damage I have done to my hair, it definitely became a little bit weak and brittle, and it could definitely use some strengthening. Today was wash day, but I'm so tempted to take another shower just to see how these do. This rich, repairing shampoo and conditioner is formulated with Padua oil from Brazil to strengthen, protect, and treat dry, damaged, and unruly hair. Now, I know this is not the case, but this box seems very personalized to me with all my concerns right now for my lips, hands, and now hair. I just want to take a little peek what the bottles look like. They almost look like little airplane bottles. Probably get 3 washes out of it. That should be enough for me to get an idea how well these worked out. Since I have not applied any heat to my hair for quite some time now, my hair has become quite healthy. It's just the ends get a little bit more dry. They're definitely the area that I definitely focus on for like that really lock-in moisture. So I'll definitely be able to see how well this helps strengthen and combat that. Next, from Bella Perrier, we received a shimmer powder. There are 3 variations of colors, either Wow, Coral Reef, or Reddish, and it retails for $15. And I got the shade Wow, and it is a beautiful pink. This is perfect for Valentine's Day. I'm gonna take a brush right here to swatch it on the, oh wow. And this is what Wow looks like swatched. This shade is so pretty. I don't really reach for loose shadows like this anymore, but this is just so perfect for Valentine's Day. And I wonder how well it could be used as a highlighter. I think that would look super stunning on the cheeks with its shift. Lastly, by the brand Lapkos, this is a Pearl Sleeping Cream. It's a full size that retails for $6. I'm so stoked for this because it's a sleep mask, and you know your girl loves her sleep masks. I have not heard of this brand before, and this packaging is quite interesting. I'm very intrigued to see how many uses I could get out of it, and I believe this is also K-Beauty. And not only do I love my sleep masks, but I love K-Beauty products as well. Featuring a convenient spout, this 2-in-1 formula brightens, tones, and exfoliates your skin overnight for a smooth, even complexion in the morning. I'm very intrigued that it says the word exfoliate because a lot of the sleep masks that I use focus on hydration and smoothness. So I'm very curious to see how this one focuses more on the toning and exfoliating. And you just apply it evenly across your face as the last step of your nighttime skincare routine, cleanse in the morning. I cannot wait to do my skincare routine tonight and try this out. Hopefully I get a fair amount of uses out of it. I have purchased some of these Sephora masks in this packaging, and I think the Sephora ones you get about 3 to 4 uses, so hopefully I can get about the same with this. Plus, if it is a little bit thicker, a little does go a long way. I definitely feel like it takes me a while to go through my sleep masks because I apply them just like how I apply my moisturizer. So they definitely last a long time. I just hope that this spout doesn't really cause any issues with it maybe oxidizing or something. But after opening this is something I would target to use up within 1 to 2 weeks. Overall, for my first Glossy Box, I am very stoked. As I mentioned earlier on in the unboxing, I feel like this is very personalized to me, and I know that is definitely not the case, but the products that we received are products that I know I need in all my routines, like a lip scrub and a good moisturizing cream, which my hand still feels amazing. Even after I swatched our Bella Perrier shadow and then wiped it away, it still feels very smooth and hydrated. Shampoo and conditioner for my natural hair care journey, and then a sleep mask. 3 out of the 5 brands that we received in this month's box are new to me. I'm so excited to give them a try and look more into those brands, see what other products that they have to offer. I would love to know if you guys get Glossy Box. Did you guys get the same products as me? Let me know what shade you received in the Bella Perrier shimmer shadow. And if you have tried any of these products, how did they work out for you? I would love to know your experience in the comments below. And are you guys excited for March's box? Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave. And if you don't, I appreciate your view anyways, and I'll see you in the next video.